Hello, good morning, everyone. I'm back, and that tax return just hit, so you know what that means. Rims, and I'm cooking with eggs. This week's episode of Cooking, wait, is it? On this week's episode of Cooking Ain't That Hard, we making breakfast today. I got the day off, so I get to make my favorite breakfast. That's gonna consist of some eggies with, it's just gonna be like scrambled eggs, but with some other things in there. So, a lot of people tell me all the time, I can't cook breakfast, I'm too busy in the morning. Shut the hell up. No, you're not. This is gonna take less than 10 minutes. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Macros, just a fair warning. This is a very dense meal. I am starting my spring bulk today, so take the ideas, don't take the exact measurements. Cool. Let me get our essentials out. Timer on deck. We're gonna start this John right now. Okay. What I like to do with my scrambled eggs is I like to crack them all into, on the counter and then onto the bowl. Forgot the most important part. Always have that trash can ready. I'm also going to turn my pan up to high, or the stove up to high. Get out the shell. I'm just going to combine all my ingredients into the bowl. That way there's not much else I have to do. I'm going to do half a cup of cheese. Boom, done. Back in the fridge. Remember, we clean as we go. After that, another sign Dylan just got his tax return. Pre-cut up vegetables. Yeah, I'm getting money. Oh. I'll do, okay, we're doing that much. I'll save the rest of these for tomorrow. Back into the fridge. What else am I throwing in there? Oh, seasonings. Some salt. Oh, okay. Some pepper. All right. You'll know what I like. Okay, clean up a little bit. In the sink. This pan can take a little bit to heat up. I'm gonna put some oil in it just for now. Don't be afraid of oil. Maybe if you're trying to cut. I'm not afraid of it. Get that all around the pan. If you ever try to make scrambled eggs on a not nonstick pan, you might have brought out some deep-seated anger issues that therapy never got rid of. That's all you gotta do. You just gotta coat the whole pan in oil and make sure it's hot. I'm gonna turn this to like 7. Also gonna take this and mix it all up. Now if your ratio is looking a little funky like mine, I'm gonna add another egg. Maybe 2 more. Why not? I'm kind of hungry. Beat it up.
Beat him up.
Beat it up.
Beat him up. Beat him up. Beat him up.
Yeah. Okay, that's smoking. It's time to go. Now we're gonna have just enough time to wash this off before we need to do anything. Most likely, if you're cooking breakfast, it's gonna be before work, and you're not gonna have a whole lot of time if you don't like waking up super early, like me. Okay. Man, dishes going great. Okay. Now just scramble it. See that's not sticking? That's what big Teflon doesn't want you to know. It shouldn't take all that long. Right now we're at 5.5 minutes. And I'm basically done. The key is constant motion. You're just gonna stir it up until it's done, however much you like it. I think runny eggs are absolutely disgusting, so I cook them up pretty good. Give it another few seconds. That looks pretty good to me. Gonna throw it on the plate. Take this off the heat, turn the stove off. We can do this dish. Trash can back. I'm also going to eat a banana and hit my protein goal to wash it all down. Focus. Wash it all down. Just a little protein shake. Now you can do this with water, almond milk, nut milk, goat milk, I don't care. I'm using whole milk because I want the extra calories. And a scoop of the delicious WAYT Nutrition chocolate protein. Oh, so yummy. Use code Dylan on waytnutrition.com. 10% off. I know. 4 episodes in, I'm already a corporate sellout. What you gonna do? Good stuff, though. I like it. Try it out. Give that a little shake. You don't need a blender. You don't. Just a cup with a lid. And shake. Okay, that's done. Eggies are done. I'm just gonna leave this here for right now. 8:45 on the clock. Breakfast is done. Macros. Right here. Adjust as you want. I'm eating a crap ton of calories because I don't want to be a little skinny boy anymore. So, that's it. Breakfast is served. And it has vegetables. It's pretty good. Cooking ain't that hard.